they use the sap of the plant to rub it against the affected area, and then I think the reason behind, sir, is since the sap of babadyang is sticky, it will remove away the toxins that have been injected to your skin. So it's the sap. I think it's the scientific explanation. The sticky sap. They choose badyang because it's sticky, and the itchiness of babadyang is tolerable. Badyang plant is also itchy, but it can be tolerated for just a few hours or so.
So dili ang lead, sir,
The stalk. You have to cut the stalk and then rub it against the affected area. But for every rub, you must cut again and then rub again another batch. So fresh cut for every application. Same goes with the duct tape. If you are going to use duct tape to remove the toxins, you use a new duct tape for every application. You don't use the same duct tape since it will only return the toxins.